Hey guys, we got her home, and what we did is actually we have not bought everything because we were not ready. We haven't bought her bed and everything like that. So we had a small baby bed. Actually my kid's baby bed, right? So I just put that, and over that we just put that jacket that my son was wearing because she had got so familiar with the jacket. It's so warm jacket, and then just a blankie, and she's like there. Can't see her face. And she was so nice. She's only 8 weeks old, and first day today, and we got this pee pad stuff for her. And actually look at that, she peed there. She just woke up now, and then I was like, made her stand there and told her to do like pee and susu, and she just did it there. Like, she didn't do it on the bed. That was so nice. Because the first time, once she whimpered, and then we were like, we didn't know why was she was like whimpering. I think she was getting the susu and she had done it on the bed. So now,
okay, now
second time when she woke up, I just came and like put her on there, and she just did it there.
Yeah.
And
oh
my God, she's like she's full black that you can't even like see her here in this camera, right? But she had a small nap now, and then she's like, she ate a little bit, and then she's playing. And this is a tent we had, the kids' tent. We just used that for now because she's too tiny. We were like, okay, we need to buy all that. So I was thinking like, I need to shop around and see like what to buy, because today we didn't expect to get anything, but we got it. So that's our food soaked in water. The person we bought it from, we asked them how to give the food, because this is our first puppy. We had no idea, so they're told to soak the food in water. So we soaked it. I don't know if this will go waste now, but we soaked a lot. We didn't realize. We soaked like a half cup, and then water. So we just got this like tiny things, but we need to get like nice bed and nice this thing and everything. But for today we were like, okay, we just need something to be taking care of for today. Then later we have to shop around, because tomorrow is a work day for me. It's too difficult. So maybe for a few days we'll just manage like this, and then we'll get. What did she do?
I said come, and she came over.
Yes,
look,
she will do everything.
Come.
Now hold her, Raja.
Come on.
There, let's show her. She's so cute. She is. Oh my God, look at her. It's actually dark today. I may show it in the daytime, but she's really pretty. And we have named her Ava. Because we love that name. That is one of my favorite handbag names. So that's why I was like, I love it, because it starts with the A, ends with the A and a V, and I don't know, I just like that name, Ava, A-V-A. So that's what we have kept. And she's so pretty. She's a schnoodle. So she is a, can you show her face this side, baby? Can you show her face? Like, hold her the other way.
Yeah.
She's really tiny. Maybe she was the smallest one in the litter, probably. Usually if they're the smallest one in the litter, people like don't try to buy them. But the thing is, when we went to see her, there was two other males with her, and we were looking for a male, but somehow the kids ended. Hey, don't do that.
Playing with her.
Yeah, but that's not how you play it. She's too tiny, baby. You just like have to do
she's
like
tiny
this.
doesn't mean she can be aggressive. She
No.
was just playing very crazy with that mouse toy.
Yeah, she was, because
was
she loves the
really,
toy.
tugging on it.
We got like 1 or 2 toys for her to play with for now, and she's been good. She's just wanting to be sitting with us. For a little bit, we tried to make her like sleep in there, and now she wants to come back. But like, she is like schnoodle, right? It's a mix of miniature schnoodle. I hold at her. Don't hold at her neck like that, okay?
I was holding
Miniature
her at her
schnoodle
legs.
and a miniature poodle. So she's a mix of that. And I think usually schnoodles are a mix of what is that called?
What?
Schnoodles are mix of, what is that first one?
Schnauzer.
Schnauzers, yeah.
And poodle.
Schnauzers with poodle. Ava. Today is Ava's first day. It is December 5th. We got her first time in the house. We just now swept the floor so she could play. And looks like she's now like getting active. Now she came out of that.
Good girl.
Otherwise she was like really just like clinging on to us. But now she's like, yes, I can play. Ava. 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 Ooh. Ooh.
Eva.
Now she's really jumping around.
Eva.
Ava.
Yeah.
Ava.
Go get my.
Come here, baby.
Yeah.
We kept looking always at like what brown color ones, the red color ones, right? And then we ended up with the black. She looks like a cat right now. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. I think now on my channel it's going to be only Ava. No more Ava handbags. It's going to be. I'm going to, put the title on this as Unboxing Ava. And then everybody will think I'm doing a handbag because all I do is handbags, and they'll be like, "What is this?"
Yeah, good girl.
And then we'll unbox this. Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, good job. Let's go.
Good job,
There's
baby.
Mommy.
Good job, baby. Good job, baby. You are such a cute puppy. You are cute puppy. You are cutie. You are cutie.
Oh, you're so wet.
Ava. Ava, you want to eat? Good girl. Wow.
These are
She took
really
a
wet.
nice little nap. And now she is like ready to play. We were thinking like she was so quiet, but now, see, after the first nap, she was clinging on to us, right? Now she's like,
Eva.
oh, I want to run around.
Yeah, because she didn't know us as much. Now she knows us. So she's
Yeah,
like,
now she's
now
comfortable.
she
Like,
knows that me and Gunnar are
she's
like,
still
playful.
shaking though.
So he's like,
Yeah, 'cause she's cold.
She's cold, maybe.
Eva, come here.
Yeah, the floor is cold.
Eva.
Yes, Eva.
Come here.
We taught her how to run.
Yeah, but don't do too much, okay?
Come here, Eva.
Then
Eva.
rest. Come
Eva.
on, rest, sit, Eva. Eva, sit down.
Oh my
Put your
God!
legs
I
down.
think now everybody.
Eva,
See, they've already
Eva,
cut her tail,
calm
right?
down.
It makes her lose balance. She
down,
doesn't have as much
calm
balance
down,
anymore. She has to get used to that. That's what they do at that early stage, so they get
Yeah,
used
but
to
they've not done that.
That's why she kept
What is that
falling over.
called? Claw? What is that?
Declaw.
The
Good girl.
extra.
Sit.
Yeah, do
it.
claw.
That's fine.
Sit.
That's fine. Here, come here.
Yeah,
Eva.
Go.
Come here.
Go.
they haven't removed that, and I don't think they'll remove that because
Go.
I don't even know why they do that. So I need to find out. But she is cute. Now she is going to be
she wants
our
water.
baby girl. I always wanted a baby girl. Now this is going to be our baby girl. I hope she at least gets to 10 lb though. I don't want her to be very tiny. I hope
is
she
she gonna
gets
eat it?
her dad size.
She ate one. She ate one.
Oh, you know why? Now that water also is not there, now she's able to pick it up because now they got all big, right? They got soaked nicely. Now she's able to chew them. That's why. That's what the lady also was saying, that they put it in so that it's easier for her to chew. Good girl. Good girl, Eva. Good girl.
Good girl, you learn how to eat.
Yeah, the first time we gave her, like soaked there, she was not eating. We had to like pick one each and then give it in the hand, to
hungry?
her mouth, and then she
Are you
was like
hungry?
fine.
Oh, she's not hungry
But
anymore.
now
she's
she's
not
like,
thirsty.
yeah, I think she's eaten enough, right?
She'll just eat as she pleases. That's why it's better to have this inside.
And then look at her ears. See, her ears are like it's like a schnauzer. Little bit, yeah. But the face, half of her face looks like a poodle, but her hair is like a poodle, and that's why we loved her. Because she's got the poodle hair. I think schnauzers are also hypoallergenic.
Yes.
But
Oh, you threw it on the water.
there was another puppy, male puppy, that was also cute, but it looked more like a schnauzer. I don't like the schnauzer's face look that much, but the hair was silky though. Did you touch that hair? That hair was really good. The black and white one. But I don't know why I like the poodle hair. Like this is going to turn like a little bit curly.
Hey there, girl. Hey. Come up.
And we
Can you
were
get up?
always looking for male, and we ended up getting a female in the end. But we love her. I have no idea how I'm going to work from home with her.
Come here. It's a crazy moment.
Hey, Ava.
Hey, come here. Okay. So that was her big brother's friends wanted to see her because they all have big dogs, and they came to see you, baby. They came to see you, tiny tots.
Ava.
Come here.
Ava.
You might feel like she's so tiny, right? Because you're-
No, Simba
your
was
dog-
like Simba. Oh, actually, yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Wait,
Simba's massive. I mean, like,
but Simba is golden retriever
yeah,
or Labrador?
Golden Retriever,
Golden-
Labrador mix.
Yeah.
It's the same design as your house.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's why I recognize everything.
You allowed to walk her early? No, right? I think it's like a few weeks.
Yeah.
until then.
I mean, I think she's so small. I think she'll be happy just walking around
here, kid.
in the house itself
Little cutie.
right now.
It's closed, bro. You're trolling.
Why'd you close it?
What?
No, I think it's the. I don't even remember.
What's your name?
My name's Sushant. I go to the gym with Sumit, and I've known him for a long time.
Oh, okay.
I live like the other neighborhood down.
Oh, okay. So not here, not this
Yeah, no,
neighborhood.
yeah.
Okay.
I just live the other neighborhood down.
Oh, the phase 2.
Yeah, face to face.
Oh, you have the same plan though?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh yeah, this is like
Little cutie.
yeah, this is mulberry.
Yeah.
I think yeah, because all the plants are similar. They have like 5 plants.
It's so small.
Yeah, it's so tiny.
This is basically my.
We have to like
It's
soak her food to make it like bigger so she can like actually.
Oh, she's
like, wrap it.
bulky.
Oh, for
Oh,
me,
God.
for Simba, I think it's better dry. I don't know. That's what we've been doing.
Look at that.
Dry. I know it seems like
Better what? Dry food?
dry is better. That's what we've been doing.
Yeah, I think because she's so small,
Yeah,
she can't
that's why.
chew.
Yeah, so she can eat
Yeah.
it. Yeah, that makes sense.
She doesn't have like teeth yet, like
My
like
uncle-
it's coming now. Hey Arjun, don't take her everywhere. Come get it. She's like now exploring the house.
You can lift her, right, little kid? Dude, she's like prancing around.
I know. Today, oh my God! See, look at
Come
that.
here. Come on.
She was so scared when she came. Now she's like
Macy
running
was the
around.
same size. We got Macy.
What is Missy? You know Missy?
Come on.
Yeah, no,
She peed.
my dog, my
She
friend's dog.
peed. Mommy, she peed.
Who is Macy?
Where? Oh, she did pee.
Oh. Just wipe it. Let's see who she goes to. Both of you call on the lap.
Ava. Ava.
Come on. Come on. Come
Ava.
on. You can do it. Put
Ava.
your legs to the test. Show me how strong you are. Come on.
Ava.
Come on, Ava. Come on,
Ava.
Ava. Ava. Ava.
Ah,
no.
now it will be easier for her to climb.
Ava, no. Him, no. Come.
You.
You.
She'll be like, I don't want anybody. I want the mommy. I want my mommy.
Ava.
She wants the mommy. She doesn't want anybody. Oh, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up.
Ava.
Cutie pie, I think might be tired. I think she's
Dun, dun,
tired.
dun.
How do I show you? How do I show your face? How do I show your cutie pie face? Hey, don't trouble her too much, Gunu. I think she's played too much today for her
Yeah, she chased
being
me
so
that
tiny
much.
and chasing
She
that much.
literally like followed me around. And then sometimes follow you guys.
Cutie pie?
Is flash on? Turn it off.
Cutie pie? No. There's no flash here for the video.